Most people think stress stays in the head. Racing thoughts, heavy emotions, sleepless nights. But stress doesn't stop there. Over time, it quietly moves into the body, and one of the first places it settles is the gut. The gut is not just where food is digested. It is a protective gatekeeper. It decides what nutrients are allowed into the bloodstream and what must stay out. When this system works well, the body stays balanced. When it weakens, problems begin to ripple outward. This weakening is often called leaky gut. Simply put, the gut lining becomes too permeable. Things that should never enter the bloodstream slip through. The immune system reacts, inflammation rises, and the brain feels it. That's where depression often deepens. Recent research uncovered something quietly powerful. A protein called Reelin may be the missing link connecting chronic stress, gut damage, and depression. Reelin is already known for its role in brain health. People diagnosed with major depressive disorder often show lower levels of this protein in the brain. What scientists are now realizing is that Reelin also plays a vital role in the gut. Under chronic stress, Reelin levels drop in the intestines. When that happens, the gut lining struggles to repair itself. Normally, these cells renew every 4 to 5 days. Without enough Reelin, that renewal slows down. The barrier weakens, inflammation increases, and emotional symptoms can quietly worsen. Researchers restored Reelin levels with a single, very small intervention. Reelin levels returned to normal. Gut repair improved. Antidepressant-like effects appeared. Imagine a professional eyelash stylist at work. Steady hands, focused eyes, calm breathing. For a moment, her tweezers resemble a scientific instrument. Faint diagrams appear. No fantasy, just precision. Depression is no longer just chemical or psychological. It is whole body. Inflammation, immune response, and gut health all play a role. Good science should feel grounded, understandable, useful. If this made you pause, reflect, or feel seen, it's worth sharing.